Welcome to another episode of Bluegrass Garage. We have the 1970 Challenger today. I'm sure you all can look back on some previous videos and see where this car has come in the last couple of years. But today we are installing new body color side mirrors. So let's take a look at what we got over here on the car. We have right now these chrome mirrors, and he is wanting to put body color mirrors on it, right?
Body color, go back. I mean, these are, you know, it's chrome, but she's seen better days. Might as well do some, make it look a little better.
And I think the body color will look a lot better. So
I think it will.
So he bought these mirrors a while back, and here, hold this, or you can open them up. And we just got them painted actually yesterday, so not even a chance to cut and buff. We're going to put them on because they look really good. The paint laid down really nicely, and if we ever need to buff them, we will at a later time. But we have driver's side and passenger side. This kit came with the hardware and the gasket and everything, so seems to be some really nice mirrors. So what color again is that?
B5 blue.
B5 blue. So we're going to get these old ones off and put these new ones on, so let's get to it.
Full speed. Burnout.
So what we got to do to get these mirrors on, Richard?
All right, well, for these, we're going to take door panel off, raise the window glass, and to get to these little nuts on the back side.
Oh yeah, you said there's little nuts back there.
They're tucked up in there, dude.
That's gonna be nice.
Yeah. So it's going to take us a minute or two to get these.
Well, it's all good. It looks like you have a tool here ready for it.
Yeah, I got a screwdriver.
You were planning ahead, so all right, let's get to work, get it going.
All right.
Okay, so we got the screws out of the door panels. Just found out that it's not OEM hardware holding these door panels on, so I believe he was waiting to get all that put on officially for these mirrors. So it's pretty easy to take those, 6 or 8 screws out, and apparently we gotta get this door handle out.
All right, so the door panel, you gotta take the screws out. You have to take your window roller out, and you gotta take your door handle out also to get this out. It should, in theory, pop out now.
You are a genius. Door panel off. All right, so now comes the hard part, right? Get the window up and get them nuts off the back of the mirror.
So, yeah, basically.
Let's tag team it. These little guys right here.
Little Phillips heads?
Yeah, little Phillips, and there's a nut on the back side that is almost impossible to hold while you're taking that off. Phillip?
Yeah, it's going to. You're going to have it.
Yeah, I got it. Yep, I wouldn't just let it fall and scratch your door. Oops! Oops!
Well, we can put it back together and film it.
Or sell it.
No, film it. Taking it out. No, I don't. You're the dude.
No, I've got it filmed already.
Oh, you're the dude.
I got it recording right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's got it. It got all that.
I'm glad I didn't do nothing bad.
I just cut it out, dude. So we managed to get that one out. So we're going to see, hopefully the new ones go in as easy as that came out. Oh, sorry.
good, bud.
Okay, I got 2 screws that are in. Pause. There we go.
Wipe the sweat off.
All right. After all the sweat, look at his shirt.
Yeah, freaking.
But that's one mirror on. So looking good. Let's not dwell too long because we got another one to do.
Yeah.
And door panels. So there we go. One down.
They're Bambi.
This side we got to put the mirror controls through. It's a little bit more work, but hopefully it works out well. Make sure you put your gasket on the right direction, which I did. All right, that's started. Okay,
Sure it started.
I'm 100% sure.
If I let go of this
Yep.
and it falls, I'm gonna be pissed.
Okay, well hold it for a second. All right,
Yeah, good.
all right. Let's get the back one now. I got my hole lined up. Oh! In case y'all didn't hear that, Richard said if he lets go and that nut falls, he's gonna be.
You're probably spinning because it's not.
Try it again now.
Put your screwdriver on the back wheel. Back wheel one.
Yeah. You got it holding it. We'll try your channel locks now. Ready?
I think I got it.
Yeah, got that one. The back one's good too, actually. Yeah. All right, that was a lot of sweat, but these blue mirrors look a whole lot better than those chrome mirrors. Yeah. Get a good size shot. I like it.
It looked good, don't it?
They look real good. So in case y'all didn't notice, this is a future video, but sneak peek, so you get to see the wheels. He got some new factory style wheels that we will be painting and installing at a later date. Sneak peek. But yeah, this looks good. Now we just put door panels on and you're golden. All right, Richard, so got some mirrors on.
So, mirrors are on. All helped by Matt right here. He did it all. I just sat here and watched.
Yeah, he said I was the I was the beauty and you were the. I was the brains. You were the beauty.
No, I'm the brains. You're the bronze.
Whatever it is, yeah, whatever it is. Either way,
Either way,
we got
make a good team.
Yep.
Mirrors are done. Another checklist done.
So stay tuned for more videos as Bluegrass Garage helps him out with finishing the car up. He's got a little bit of interior work to do. Like I said, a sneak peek of the wheels.
Cut on back order, man.
Back order, you know how it is these days.
Everything's from Ukraine.
Yeah, so there you go. But thanks for staying with us. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.